Missy! Today's tutorial is this side swept waterfall braid. I featured this style a few years ago as a step-by-step tutorial, but thought it would be a little bit easier to learn as a video tutorial. So make sure to subscribe below if you haven't yet, and if you want to learn how to recreate this look, then just keep watching. For this hairstyle, I'm clipping in 3 wefts of extensions, 2 with 2 clips and 1 with 3 clips, and I'm just placing them at the back of the head starting at the ear level, just to add a little bit of length and thickness to the hairstyle. To begin the style, start by parting the hair on the right side in a deep side part. Then sweep all of the hair over the left shoulder and pick up a small section near the forehead, dividing it into 3 smaller pieces. Now take the top strand near the part and cross it over the middle strand. Then take the bottom strand, cross it over the middle. Then take the top strand, cross it over the middle. Pick up a new section of hair, crossing it over the middle and bringing it into the braid. Now begin creating the waterfall strands. So take the bottom section that would normally go over the middle, and we're just going to drop it down, and this is going to be our first waterfall piece. So then take a section of hair from right behind that section, cross it over the middle, adding it into the braid in its place. Then continue the braid, crossing the top strand over the middle, picking up a new section, crossing it over the middle as well. Then take the bottom strand and we're going to drop it down, creating the second waterfall piece. Pick up a section of hair from right behind it, cross it over the middle in its place, bringing it into the braid. So one more time, take the top strand, cross it over the middle, pick up a new section of hair, crossing it over the middle, bringing it into the braid. Take the bottom strand, drop it down, creating the new waterfall section. Pick up a new piece from right behind it, crossing it over the middle, bringing it into the braid. And these are the basic steps for creating this waterfall braid. But to create the side swept effect, we're going to just continue the braid down the left side of the head, bringing in small pieces and dropping down waterfall sections until the braid reaches the nape of the neck right below the left ear. Once the last section of hair is brought into the braid, then tuck the hair underneath and pin it in place with several bobby pins. To help hold it in place, you can crisscross the bobby pins underneath, but just make sure they're hidden underneath the braid so that they don't show through, and that is the very last step. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. This style is definitely on the fancier side, but waterfall braids are great for every day, so I definitely think you can dress it down as a more casual style. Click the thumbs up if you did enjoy the tutorial, and make sure to subscribe so you always know when a new video goes up. And thank you so much for watching. Bye!